How to fix Roblox Group Funds withdrawal blocked. So let me tell you guys, newly created groups have an automatic security hold. So your group usually needs to be at least 14 to 30 days old before Roblox allows standard payouts to prevent fraud. Also, Robux recently earned from sales or transferred via purchases sit in a pending state. Confirm that your funds have cleared the 3-day to 30-day marketplace holding period and show up in the actual group balance instead of pending revenue. Now the next thing what you can do is switch to a desktop mode. The official mobile app often hides advanced financial controls. So what you have to do is go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to Roblox Support page. Then go to the website and then log into your Roblox dashboard. Then tap the 3-dot icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Request Desktop Site from the menu. Now once you select the desktop site, and then you can easily access the revenue and payouts tab cleanly. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.